Good morning, class 6. As we reached at the third module of this chapter, this is our topic. The company official become Nawabs. Robert Clive was the company official during the war of Plassey and Buxar. He was here. So during that time, Robert Clive earned a great amount, and Britishers, these all people mockingly named them Nawabs because they earned a very huge amount of money with Indians by using dirty tricks and malpractices. So they himself become the Nawab after the Battle of Buxar. Is that clear? Company rule expand. The timing 1757 to 1857, the 100-year period. First thing, subsidiary alliance. During this time, they have to sign up a treaty, that is subsidiary alliance. According to this treaty, British provide the military facilities whenever the state feel any kind of trouble, and for the troops of Britishers, the state have to pay all money. It means on the money of the state, the army of Britishers work, and whenever they feel that the state should be attacked or may be attacked by any other, they all time provide the help. That is subsidiary alliance. It was opposed by the different people. And Nawabs, Rajas, and some adopted this one also. Okay. Then the most important part of this chapter, war with Marathas, war with Mysore, and war with Punjab. 6. The first war with Mysore. The war with the Mysore, the first battle led by Hyder Ali, the father of Tipu Sultan, and he was the person that he forced Britishers to fight alone with him. In 1767 to 69, he defeated the British army. First war won by Hyder Ali. After that, Britishers remained quiet for a longer time. They haven't attacked on Hyder Ali, Mysore. It was the Wadiyar dynasty, and he was the army chief. Then in 1780, second war with Mysore. During this war, Hyder Ali was died, and Tipu Sultan took the charge. But in this war, Britishers won. Then the third battle, 1790 to 1792. In this battle, Tipu Sultan attacked on Travancore, and with the help of Francis naval army and cannon, he wanted to capture the powers from the Britishers, but he was failed. In 1790 to 92, then he have to sign up a treaty of Srirangapatnam. According to that, he have to give half of his state to Britishers and his two sons as a guarantee. Then the last battle of Mysore, 1798 to 99. In this battle, Tipu Sultan lost the battle, defeated by the Britishers, and afterwards they give the dynasty again to Wadiyar rulers. So 4 battles, 1, 2, 3, and 4. First 2 led by Hyder Ali, third and fourth led by Tipu Sultan. First battle won by Hyder Ali. Second battle During the time he was died, then Tipu Sultan led this battle. He was defeated. Again he was defeated. Again he was defeated. He was in close conflict. Tipu Sultan was in close conflict with Francis companies for guns and cannons. Okay, student. So these were the wars with Marathas. Sorry, Mysore. Now we are moving towards the war with Marathas. Maratha, you know that they were also divided among their people in first battle 1775 to 1782, that Britishers want Raghunath Rao should be the Peshwa, and for that there was a treaty of Purandar. That was a treaty of Purandar. They want their puppet person. In this war, Maratha was defeated, and they have to sign a treaty of Salbai, 17th May 1782. According to this treaty, that Madhav Narayan Rao II become the next Peshwa, and this was the treaty that next 20 years they were not having any enmity relationship between these. Then in 1803, second war, after the death of Nana Fadnavis, several people want to become the Peshwas. In Marathas, there are different dynasties. For example, Peshwa in Pune, Sindhia in Gwalior, Gaikwad in Baroda, Holkar in Indore, Bhosle in Nagpur. Everyone want to become the Peshwa. That was the war between Lord Wellesley, and after that they adopted the subsidiary alliance. Now then the third war, that the Peshwa's minister killed Gaikwad's messenger, and Hastings lead this one, the war against Bajirao II. And after the war, this was also known as the Pindari War, 1817 to 1819. After that, there was no Maratha kingdom, only British authority captured the power. Later on, we witnessed different things by the Tatya Tope and Lakshmi Bai, because they want subsidiary alliance, that their army should work according to Britishers, and their expenditure and the other responsibilities taken by the state governments. Okay, so this was there. And one more thing, war with Sikhs, that is also important. That was from 1845 to 1849. That the Treaty of Lahore was signed. After that, there were first war 1845 to 1846, then second war 1848 to 1849, and afterwards the British authorities captured the power. So slowly, gradually, with the interference and continuous war, they capture the power. Slowly, gradually, with the continuous war and the interference among the people, British authority captured the power. Okay, thank you.